Advanced English vocabulary brought to you by Idioms Online. Faux pas. Faux pas. Faux pas is a borrowed French word or loan word in English. Note that even though it retains its French spelling and seems like a French word, we pronounce it in an anglicized way. Do not try to pronounce English faux pas with a French accent, unless you are French. In French, faux pas means literally false step. A faux pas is a social blunder, a mistake in etiquette or social conduct, an embarrassing or tactless remark in a social situation. When you commit a faux pas, you say or do something in a social situation that is embarrassing and that is considered rude, tactless, inappropriate, or that breaks the rules of etiquette or good manners. Today, we hear more often about fashion faux pas than any other type of faux pas. Examples of how to use faux pas in a sentence. We were worried about this president committing a faux pas on the international stage. This, it turns out, was the least of our problems. To me, a fashion faux pas is wearing short pants with a sweatshirt. I told her I didn't like them. What a faux pas. It turns out that they were a wedding gift from her. Celebrities have to be careful of the most minor faux pas as they can become a huge gossip story that gets blown out of proportion. I asked her when her baby was due. What a faux pas. It turns out she isn't pregnant. He has encyclopedic information on cultural mores across the galaxy. Just the droid you would want at your side to keep you from committing the odd destruction of your race faux pas when dealing with aliens.